When heavy batteries, engines, or transmissions need to be moved safely, precision and ergonomics are crucial. The Unicraft FHT-B 1200 was specially designed for the safe and efficient changing of batteries, engines, and gearboxes. With the large PU swivel castors, the lift table can be maneuvered easily and precisely. The integrated parking brakes ensure a secure stand at all times. Especially when working on electric vehicles, the lift table supports safe and controlled work. With a maximum lifting height of 1840 millimeters, the lift table is perfect for work in automotive workshops. The robust steel double scissor construction ensures high stability in daily workshop use. 2 hydraulic cylinders enable a load capacity of up to 1,200 kilograms. The lifting height is adjusted comfortably and precisely via the integrated control panel. The loading table can be adjusted in length and precisely adapted to the respective application via adjusting screws. This allows components to be picked up safely and positioned precisely. The adjustable and insulated feet allow for the optimal alignment of batteries and components. Thanks to the hole pattern, the feet can be flexibly adapted to different component geometries. This particularly facilitates the removal and installation of heavy, high-voltage batteries. The handle can be folded away, allowing for the transport of protruding components. Heavy components can be lifted safely, aligned exactly, and positioned in a controlled manner.